Hello everyone again, it's Sarah here bringing you more sparkly yarn content. And today we're spinning up the Night Galaxy fiber that I blended up for you in video that I posted a couple of weeks ago. And this was just amazing to spin up. So leave a like if you are liking these videos, and maybe consider clicking subscribe if it's something you haven't done so already and you've been meaning to do. Just gotta give that little button a click. That's all I ask if you would like to. So today I am spinning up this Night Galaxy fiber, and it's spinning so well. I love it. It's super wash merino that I picked up from Knitting Color. I added in a bunch of sparkle, from most of it from Wonderland Fibers, and there is some glow in the dark synthetic nylon type fiber. It resembles the spider web stuff you get at Halloween, and I picked that up from Blue Barn Fiber Company. Blue Barn Fiber, I think it just is. And this specific bit of fiber is just a sample of the entire fiber that I blended together, because I just wanted to try this little bit out, because I like to make different things and try different techniques with the fiber. Even after I spun this specific yarn, I currently have some more of it on my wheel at the moment, and I intend for that to be a 3-ply chain ply. I'm adding sequins to that one, so stay tuned. I'll probably post it in maybe a vlog or something, or like an update. And if you want to know how I spin sequins into my spun yarns, I have several videos kind of showing off how I do that, but it's really simple. You basically just put your sequins, it could be a button, it could be maybe a bead, onto a tiny crochet hook, or just large enough to go through the hole that you want to. Pull up your fiber and then do basically a crochet chain, and then reconnect your fiber supply. That's all you gotta do. I am adding sequins that way. It works great. I love to apply it, but that method can work for just standalone single yarns. So give it a try if you haven't already. I seriously would love to see or know what you're doing with them. So I haven't decided what the next video for this week is, or even if I'll get one out. I'll give it my best shot. It's kind of tricky working full-time as much as I am, and being a mom to my little Buddha. That's his nickname, Buddha. But I am hoping to get some stuff done around here, and with my current job, I am really hoping that they give us that incentive that they promised us. I think they will, though. I'm just really excited to see how much I earned. I haven't been paying it any attention, but with that money part of it, I'm going to buy something that I've been wanting for quite a long while. I'm going to buy me a hackle for making like custom blends and stuff, and I just cannot wait. So I hope to find out something this week, because that hackle in my cart, it's calling me. And another thing that's currently happening in my life, in the next 2 weeks or so, I've been summoned for jury selection, so it's going to be interesting. And while I do hope that if I have to serve, it won't be for too long, so that's going to happen. I just know that as I've been working in like the automotive and manufacturing industry for so long, and after being pregnant and then adapting to that, most of all my pants are leggings. So I'm walking around Walmart today being like really pissed off because I don't want to spend money on some pants. I might just wear ones, but I actually lucked out by fortune and I found some that I hope will fit pretty well. They look nice, and I like the texture of them. Something else I did today, I finally placed that sticker on my car's back windshield that says "Make something sparkle today." I love it so much, and I don't really know if I like how some of the looks like the air bubbles are underneath it, but it's so much. I think it's just because it's not a flat surface. But hey, if you see me, hi. I love it. I love it. I've been putting it on my window for a while, but I got to it today and I think it looks great. So we'll see how that goes. You can get other stickers and such like that say Sarah's Sparkle Yarns or Make Something Sparkle Today, or you can get a awesome picture of my cat in cartoony form with 3D analytic glasses if you want to, over at my Redbubble shop. I see some of you, and I thank you so much. I see a couple sales, and I really do thank you. I'm going to try to keep on updating with more concepts and yarn-themed items. Oh, words. What are they? I swear. I also want to take this time to say thank you to Scraptastic Yarns for shouting out my channel. I honestly didn't know and didn't remember who all really subscribes to me because object permanence is a thing, and I really want to say thank you for shouting me out. I didn't know anything about it until I was seeing comments, and I know one comment that somebody commented for some reason got eaten by the YouTube comment system, and I wanted to say thank you to whoever I didn't respond to yet because I can't. I could see your comment, but I couldn't do anything. It just doesn't appear except for in my notifications. And that commenter is Little Wendy's Daydreaming. I see your comment and I want to thank you. So this is your thank you. Do totally try blending in sparkle if that's your thing. Add a little, add a lot. It's gonna be great. Sometimes I want to add more, and sometimes I have to stop myself because I'm like, yeah, I think that's enough. It'll be kind of interesting trying to spin this, but really, it's really hard to try to stuff an entire ounce of sparkle if you really wanted to. That stuff seems to stick around for almost forever sometimes, but at the same time, you can go through a lot of it with many different projects quite quickly if you're not careful. But hey, that's the fun part. Add the sparkle. Like I say, make something sparkle today. So with all that said, I'm going to try to stop rambling about yarn and everything else because I would like to get this video wrapped up and hopefully get it posted so y'all see it tomorrow, Monday morning. And then head to bed because my husband's like, "Are you coming to bed?" I'm like, "When this is done. When this is done, honey. When this is done." So with that said, stick around to the end of the video. You'll see the finished skein in all its glory in the sunlight, which I think it's the greatest way to film it. And until next time.